Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some more recommendations. A few months ago, I posted my top 50 products under rupees 500 and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my top 50 products under rupees 1000. I'm going to be honest, I tried to do top 100 under 1000 but पहली बात तो video इतना लंबा होता and I didn't have that many number of products to present to you guys as well. So we're just going to stick to top 50, which is also a lot. Obviously, by no means feel pressured to buy all of these products. If there are certain products that you are looking for, I hope that this video kind of presents those products to you. I feel like I've covered almost all categories. We have hair, we have skincare, we have makeup, body care, fragrances, and also like random products. So having said all of that, let's get started with today's video. Actually, before I start sharing with you guys all of my recommendations, I do want to give kind of like a disclaimer that this video is not sponsored by any brand, not even Nykaa. I do believe when this video goes live, there's a Nykaa sale that's going on, which is great. I feel like all of these products will be even cheaper, but I am not getting paid to make this video basically. So let's get started. I think I'm gonna start with hair because I feel like this monsoon I've really struggled with my hair. The first product that I have is the L'Oreal's Extraordinary Shampoo. I have this big bottle. I have literally this much left and this smells incredible. It cleanses your scalp so well and it gives your hair that beautiful shine. थोड़ा सा frizz control element भी है इसमें, but overall it's such a good shampoo. To go along with that, I will recommend the Extraordinary Oil Conditioner as well. Again, same matching bottle है मेरे पास. इतना सा conditioner बचा है. Again, makes your hair smell amazing, moisturizes your hair. I am honestly just in love with this entire Extraordinary range. You guys know I'm obsessed with the serum, but the shampoo and conditioner are also so good. Next up, we have this Soulflower ka tea tree oil. This is great if you have dandruff or like just scalp issues. It comes with this comb applicator which just makes it so easy in terms of application. ये मेरी second bottle है, ये मेरी new bottle है. It's such a good oil. I've gotten back thankfully into the routine of oiling my hair every time before I wash my hair. So this is the oil that I've been using and enjoying. Be Blunt ka heat protectant spray. I have been using this for so long and I couldn't recommend it in the last video because it's over 500 rupees. So this time I made sure to use it, or rather recommend it to you guys. I've used so many bottles of these. Both of these are completely empty. This must be my third or fourth bottle. It's a great mist. If you use heat, please get this product. I actually have one more shampoo, conditioner, serum range that I want to recommend. If you have issues with your scalp, I know during the monsoons, the scalp tends to get very itchy and just very sensitive. Try this range from Biolage. This is their Scalp Pure Shampoo. Again, does a great job at cleansing your scalp but doesn't make your scalp dry. If you have sensitive scalp, you need to check this out. We have the conditioner to go along with it. Again, really manages your hair, smooths out your hair, and this has a very lovely mentholy scent to it. So it makes you smell very fresh. Most importantly, you can use this conditioner on your scalp as well. So you're going to have a moisturized or a conditioned scalp and your ends as well. The third product is again from the same range. It's a serum that is meant to apply on your scalp, and whenever I personally have like a very itchy scalp, I will use this product in my root. It has this kind of applicator and it just soothes and cools your scalp. It's beautiful and I have noticed every time I use this, मेरे बाल oily उतने जल्दी नहीं होते. This is supposed to reduce sebum production and it does that. Not the biggest fan of hairsprays in general, but whenever I do need to use it, this is the one that I use. This is the L'Oreal's Elle Net. Usually सारे hairsprays make my hair very crunchy. Not सारे, but a lot of them make your hair very like crunchy and you can't run your fingers through them. This hairspray does not do that. It sets your hair but you can touch it and it still feels soft and nice. That were all the hair products. मैंने जानबूझ के दो range of shampoos दिखाया है because सबके hair type और scalp अलग-अलग होती है. Similarly, in all ranges, you will see I'll give you multiple options for the same type of product. Okay, let's move on to body care. I've done a lot of research. I've bought a lot of products so that I can recommend you new, nicer products. And there are two body washes that have really stuck out. The first one is this coconut flavored body wash. I haven't tried anything from this brand. This was the first time that I saw this brand on Nykaa, and I got very intrigued just because of the packaging and the way everything is described. This is supposed to give you that coconut island ocean vibe, and it does exactly that. It smells amazing and the smell lingers. एक बार मैंने रात को shower लिया था, and then in the morning when I woke up I could still like smell it on me. Very faint, but it smells amazing. Very moisturizing, cleans your body, and it's a nice body wash. Smells great. The other one is from St. Ives and it's their vanilla variant. बहुत ही बड़ी bottle है. I feel like this will last you for months and months and months. It's a very lightly flavored, fragranced body wash. It's not very overpoweringly vanilla. It cleanses your body very nicely. If you're someone who doesn't like too much fragrance, I feel like this is a good option. For body scrubs, I tried so many body scrubs, but I have to report back to you guys that I still love the Plum's Body Loving Sugar Scrub. Other scrubs are also nice, but nothing is as good as this one. The fragrance is amazing. It's a sugar scrub, so it's not too harsh, but it's good enough. Like, it will exfoliate your body really, really well. You guys have to try this out. A body lotion that I have been loving, especially for my night time, is this one by Chemists at Play. It's their anti-aging retinol wala body lotion. The fragrance of this is very light, but I personally use this because of its anti-aging thing. I am above the age of 25. If I use anti-aging products for my face, might as well start using it for my body. And I'll apply it all over my body at night when I go to sleep, and I'll make sure to apply it in an upward motion. By the way, I also apply it on my stomach, on my décolletage, on my bum as well. Like, you can apply it everywhere. I obviously can't tell you about the anti-aging bit because it's too soon to tell, but I will say that it's a very nice lightweight moisturizer that doesn't smell very overpowering, but at the same time it's moisturizing enough. So yeah, I've been really enjoying this one. A sunscreen mist for the body. I am great at applying sunscreen on my face, but when it comes to my body, I will skip it every chance I get. So I have seen this one floating around for a while, and I like it because of a different reason. I'll show you exactly why. So this is what my body looks like right now. I hope the camera can pick it up how glossy my skin looks, glossy and juicy. I personally really like the concept of body oils, but I feel like body oils can be very like chip है एक दो जो काफी अच्छे हैं, but this is sunscreen plus like a body oil. It gives you that beautiful glow. I've recently discovered this product and I already know I'm going to be traveling with this every single time. Okay, let's do skincare now. The first product that I have is from Dermalogica. This is not a brand that I usually use products for. I think this might be the first product ever that I've tried from them, but it's a very like viral, TikTok viral product. It's their daily micro exfoliant. If I'm not wrong, this has rice powder in it. So you're supposed to take a little bit of powder in your hand, mix it with some water, and then use it to like exfoliate your face. I don't use it every single day. I'll use it once a week. I do wear a lot of makeup, so there's a lot of build up on my skin, so I just need something to like quickly scrub, cleanse my skin. And this is not too harsh, but at the same time it gets the job done. And I do feel like it makes my skin a little bit more even also. Like, it really unclogs my pores, I feel like. It is a rather expensive brand because this is a very small amount that you get, but I've been using it for a while and I still feel like I have at least half of it left. So a little bit goes a long way. I have a few moisturizers. The first one is the Dr. Sheth's Kesar and Kojic cream. I literally have maybe itna sa left, like kuch bhi nahi bacha hai isme. I feel like this is great as a nighttime cream because in the morning I wake up with such bright and glowy skin. Even actually underneath makeup, it looks beautiful. After using it for a long period of time, I will say I have seen a good amount of glow and evenness to my skin. If you're looking for a no fuss moisturizer, especially in this humidity, the first one that I will recommend is by Simple. It's their hydrating gel. This is great if you have oily oily skin because it's very very lightweight, instantly absorb हो जाएगा skin में, makeup के base के लिए भी great है, on its own भी great है. If you have combination to dry skin, I feel like this Dr. Sheth's one is even better for you specifically. This is their ceramide and vitamin C oil free moisturizer. Again, इसका भी honestly consistency is very very similar. It's gel like, but I feel like it's even more hydrating. Face mask के लिए मेरे पास दो option है again. The first one is by Simple. It's their vitamin C clay mask. This is great. I feel like if you have oily skin in general, but if you have a little bit sensitive skin type, I feel like this will work well for you. It's a no fuss clay mask. It's gonna even out your skin, unclog your pores, and after you wash your face off, it's gonna feel really really nice. Another one is a very similar one, but I feel like if your skin is more used to actives, this is when you can use it. This is the Dr. Sheth's Passion Fruit and Sulfur mask. Again, this is a clay mask. This has kaolin clay, bentonite, so it's a very similar category, but if you don't have sensitive skin, then use it. Next up, we have the very famous glycolic acid solution by The Ordinary. Now, I know you can of course use this on your face. I personally use this on my knees and elbows for depigmentation, rather for hyperpigmentation. You can also use it on your neck. I know people have had amazing results. Even in your underarms, if you have darkness, I feel like this is a great product for that. I have been obsessed with this lip balm. It's by Laneige, but it's not the classic tub. This is a different variant. This is called Gummy Bear and it tastes so good. It's the same formula of the original Laneige lip balm, so it hydrates your lips beautifully, but it tastes even better. And also it doesn't come in that tub, so you don't have to dip your fingers. It's like a proper squeezy thing, so you just apply it and you're done. We have a sunscreen for the face, but it's not like a regular sunscreen. It's a sunscreen stick which I always have in my bag. It's by the Dermaco. I personally really like it even on top of makeup, which is pretty big. I have tried a lot of sunscreen sticks and I feel like this one really works for me in spite of having oily skin, so I will highly recommend. The last skincare product that I have is by M Caffeine. These are their under eye patches, so these are very hydrating, but when you apply them underneath your eyes, they do kind of slip down, which I don't love about them. You have to keep adjusting them, and I personally keep these in the fridge, so every time I use them, they're nice and cool, but they don't stay cool for more than 10-20 seconds. Uske baad I just let it sit so that my under eyes can hydrate. What I like about these under eye patches is that every time I'm done using them, I can see that my under eyes are a slightly bit more brighter. Could be because it has caffeine in it, and caffeine is really good for that. If you have like puffy under eyes, again, this is going to be great for you. But I do feel like this product is not something that you would use every day. I feel like once in a while ke liye it's great. Like if I have a really important shoot day or something like that, that is when I'll whip these out. Moving on to makeup, I'm gonna kind of speed through this because there's not a lot of explaining in like makeup. Nykaa Prep Me Up Primer. Literally the best primer out there. I feel like it's quite affordable as well. The e.l.f. Halo Glow. Now this is a new launch, and also this is I think 50 rupees more than our budget, but I was like, it's so good, I have to mention it. So you can use this underneath your makeup, mix it with your foundation, apply it on top of your foundation. It's absolutely stunning. Trust me, it's so good. Really enjoy this Kiro Serum Foundation. So it has a lot of really nice ingredients like hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, niacinamide, and it has that beautiful tint. The coverage of this is really pretty, and it almost looks very skin-like because it's a serum foundation. It's a really cool product. Nykaa All Day Matte Foundation. This is my second bottle. In fact, I'm even wearing it right now on my face. So good. Oh my god. And the shade range is also really good. So I will highly recommend this. It's a medium to full coverage foundation. Max Fix Plus. I think 990 rupees का आता है. इससे भी छोटा आता है. But I feel like if you want to try it out, please do try it out, because I, for the longest time, couldn't really understand the whole fuss behind this product. But you have to use it to know more about it. This concealer from K Beauty is unbeatable. I've gone through so many tubes of these and I always come back to this product. On its own also, it's beautiful. It blends in with your fingers. I love it when I'm going on vacation, or even when I'm wearing like a full face right now. I love layering it. It's such a versatile product. Again, a great shade range to choose from. Another K by Katrina product. I honestly love K by Katrina in general. उनका ये powder भी इतना अच्छा है. Like the formula of this product is amazing. Great coverage. Great to wear on its own. Layered. Beautiful. I have one more powder. This is kind of like a, you could use it as a setting powder. I personally like to use it up as like a last step of my makeup. It's kind of like a blurring powder, you could say. This is by Verified, by the way. It's a beautiful finely milled powder, so I'll just like dust it all over my face towards the end and it gives me that blurring effect. It's a beautiful product. Okay, brows के लिए मेरे पास 3 products है for 3 different occasions, you could say. Try this NYX eyebrow gel for a day-to-day basis. If you don't want to do too much to your brows, this is a great product. It has fibers, so it's gonna really like thicken up your brows and it's gonna give you color as well. If you really want to like sculpt out your brows, try this one by L'Oreal. So there's a pomade and then there's a powder. Personally, I only use the powder and I've been using this for so many months. मैं literally pan भी hit नहीं किया. And this is, I feel like, my all-time favorite brow product. If I had to just pick one, I will probably pick this one. Third one is this Maybelline's Tattoo Brow. Now, why I would recommend this is I feel like if you're going on like a vacation, if you don't want to like fuss too much around with it, you can apply this on your brows and then wash it off, like wipe it off. It leaves like a beautiful tint. This does say that it's supposed to last you for 3 days. I don't know about like complete 3 days, but I feel like 2 days तो definitely रह जाता है. Take it with a brush, sculpt your brows out and then wipe it off. And it's not supposed to be used like that, but it works. A new blush that I've been loving. This is by Gush Beauty. So good. Oh my god. The packaging is super cute. The color is so pretty. Just on my bare skin it looks great. On top of makeup it looks great. I love it. You guys have heard me raving about this product. It's the L'Oreal's Air Volume Mascara. I will say I personally feel like this is a dupe for the Rare Beauties Mascara. The Rare Beauties Mascara is insane. It's so good and I feel like this is a great dupe for a fraction of the price. This bronzer from Verified, the shade that I use is Ginger Tea. By the way, all the shades I'll mention down below. Such a beautiful product. Blends like a dream. I literally don't have to even like think too much about it. I'll just like go all over. Bronzes my skin and the shade is perfect for me. 4 lip formulas that I have for you guys. The first one is a liquid lipstick by Love Child and this shade is iconic. It's called No Rules. Love the formula of these liquid lipsticks. They're not drying. Beautiful like matte finish. If you like a more traditional lipstick, try out this one by L'Oreal, Color Riche. It's a relatively new launch, I would say, and my favorite shade is called I Win. I forgot to mention that I also love the shade Leather Liberated from the same range. It is so beautiful. It's a beautiful warm brown shade which looks so stunning. And another product that I forgot to mention is the Cat Eye Liner by L'Oreal Paris. It comes with a really unique applicator. If you don't know how to draw cat eyes, wing liners, it really helps you. The actual product is beautiful. The formulation is so black. The tip of the applicator is great. So I will highly recommend. This is a very unique product. This is the Maybelline's Vinyl Ink. Now you're supposed to shake it up and then apply it on your lips and let it sit for 60 seconds. After that, you're going to have a glossy lip. It's going to be transfer proof. Really works if you do it right. It's honestly such a cool formula and my favorite shade is Lippy and I have a gloss. I feel like if you could just pick one gloss and be done, try this Maybelline's lip gloss. This is called their Lifter Gloss and it really does like plump up your lips. It's a beautiful color to wear on its own or you can wear it on top of lipstick as well. I have one more makeup product. It's a new launch. It's by NYX. It's their NYX X Barbie collection. It has a highlighter, it has a blush, and the third one I feel like you could use as a eyeshadow as well. The formula is really great. It's super cute. It's very compact and I really like it. I have these tools for you guys. These are by Simba Lifestyle. They're a set of 8 that you can get for 8.99 rupees, which I would say is quite affordable. The quality of these is amazing and I feel like if you're a beginner or honestly even someone who wears makeup on a day-to-day basis, I feel like this set is gonna be amazing and I know you're gonna love it. Lastly, we have some lashes by Verified. I personally like the style So Natural. I'm wearing them right now as well. I love how natural they look. It's very fluffy. The band is not too thin, not too thick. So application is very easy. You can use these so many times if you take care of them. They're not gonna fall apart. These are for 8.99 rupees and I feel like that's a really good price point for a lash that is this good quality. We're on on the last leg of today's video. I'm so tired, but I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. If you've made it so far, leave this heart emoji in the comments down below. I honestly love going down the comments and like seeing all of those emojis. It's the best thing ever. Coming back to our video, I'm going to share with you guys some fragrances. The first one is by my favorite brand, Plum Body Loving. This is kind of like a older sister to Vanilla Vibes. Ye hai Smokin' Vanilla Body Mist, and oh my god, it smells incredible. I honestly did not think that Plum Body Loving could do a better scent than Vanilla Vibes, and they proved me wrong. It's like a spicy vanilla. It's so good. I still love Vanilla Vibes, very much love it, but I feel like on certain days I love wearing this. This is a fragrance that I would recommend if you like fruity, more fresh fragrances. This is also kind of sweet. This is by The Body Shop. It's the strawberry variant. I've used and loved these for years. Smells so good. I sprayed a little bit of it on my face, but smells amazing. Another Plum Body Loving product. So this is their roll on, and smells amazing because this is in the Vanilla Vibes variant. This has 4% lactic acid, 1% glycolic acid, and this will do its job. Like, you will not be able to smell the sweat. I don't know about 48 hours, but I will say 12-13 hours does a great job. I did try the deodorant one that they have. That is also great, but I feel like I like this a little bit more than that one. And the last product that we have finally doesn't really belong to any category. It's more like oral hygiene. This is by Perfora. This is their teeth whitening powder. So it's not like you're going to use this product and you're going to have super white teeth. I use this at least once a week, and I feel like I mainly use this because I like the after feeling that it gives me. It makes my teeth very squeaky clean, which I love. So that is one of the main reasons why I use it. But I do feel like over time you will see little bit of lightening. It's not going to be dramatic, I'm going to be honest, but it's going to make your teeth super clean, and over a period of time you might see a little bit of lightening. So having said all of that, I'm going to end today's video. I really hope that this video was helpful, and of course all the links are going to be mentioned down in the description box below with the shade details as well. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.